this tutorial, I will show you how to create a shared folder. So here, you just need to create a new folder. You can do this by right-clicking on your desktop and clicking on this new in the menu and click on folder. So a new folder will be created. So now you just need to right-click on this folder and click on properties in this drop-down menu. Here you will see a new dialog box. Here in this new dialog box, click on sharing and you will see this advanced sharing button. Click on that. A new dialog box will appear again. Here you just need to check this share this folder. You can rename this folder and you can also limit the number of users simultaneously using this folder. So you can also type comments like, and you can also change the permission to full control, change, or read only. Just click on apply and OK. And that's how you create a shared folder in your PC. So you just need to now include all the files you want to share in this folder, and the users in your network will find your folder. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.